Come children, let me tell you, a lovely story of a little bird, flying high in the far sky, singing sweet melodies. Oh, how she flies. When the sun rises in the morning, her golden wings gleam and shine. In the lush green jungle she goes, pecking at seeds, dancing with the flows. On the trees she has a cozy nest, where her little ones rest. Feeding them from her beak, the chicks flutter and chirp, making a merry creak. When it rains, they dance in delight. In the winter, they bask in the sun's light, embracing every season with grace. Nature's love they embrace. Come children, learn from their ways. Spread your wings in life's tales. Soar high, never be afraid. Make your dreams come true and never fade. Learn from the sun's sparkle